I'm Autumn from Seoul, South Korea. I studied design and ceramics in the university, and I used to work as an art director in advertising field. And watchmaking was my long time hobby, and I made a decision to transfer to this field in 2021. I tried to find opportunity in Korea, but there's no proper training for watchmaking, especially for the making part. So I was looking for schools in abroad, and one instructor from the States, he introduced this school to me. So I had some experience in watchmaking in Korea for repairing and some restoration, but I always wanted to experience making part. And since I have background in design and ceramics, I thought this school can be the place that I can learn watchmaking. It's fun but tougher than I expected. We are making watchmaking tools until Christmas and a lot of filing, sewing, and using machines. But I'm having really fun. Teachers are nice and they're always open for any questions and anything, so it's good that I can ask whatever I don't know or I want to know. And students here are really passionate, so and they're all helpful. Now we are making tools, so we have that order to make it, and so teachers he shows us how to make it first, and we follow the step by step. Every students want their own way to do it. Someone wants to make by filing, sewing by hands, and someone wants to do it by machines, and we can choose whatever we want, and teacher shows us how to do it. We are in a small class, so we are having our own time for our class, and also Finnish students are very kind, and they're always helpful, so we're getting to know each other right now. It's very open and comfortable, especially we don't compete to each other. Teachers are always open to any kind of questions or trying. Yes, it has been only 2 months, but I've learned a lot, and by following these instructions and all learning skills, I think I'll be prepared enough to work in this field. Not right away, but I would like to have more experience after graduate. I want to learn things step by step. I hope to find a good team to work with and learn from experience, and maybe after 20 years I think I can dream about it or try it. I'm interested in both watch aesthetic part and also movement, so I want to work with both sides, have my own design for both styles, case and movement someday, but not too difficult watches, but simple and cool watches. The Independent Watchmaker course combines micromechanics and watchmaking, so if you are interested in making watches, it will be a perfect place to learn and grow your skills.